Samsung Galaxy stuck on Samsung logo. Samsung phone boot loop fix. Is your Samsung Galaxy stuck on the Samsung logo and not turning on fully? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the top working methods to fix this boot loop problem step by step. Let's begin. Solution number 1, force restart. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Your phone should restart. If it still gets stuck on the Samsung logo, move to the next step. Solution number 2, charge your phone. Sometimes the phone doesn't boot properly due to low battery. Plug in your original charger and leave it for at least 30 minutes. Then try turning it on again. Solution number 3, boot into safe mode. If a faulty app is causing the issue, safe mode can help. Press and hold the power button when Samsung logo appears. Immediately press and hold the volume down button until the phone finishes booting. If it turns on in safe mode, uninstall any suspicious or recently installed apps. Solution number 4, wipe cache partition. This fixes system errors without deleting your data. Turn off your phone, press and hold volume up power or volume up power home button depending on model until recovery mode appears. Use volume keys to go to wipe cache partition, then press power to select. Then select reboot system now. Solution number 5, reinstall software using recovery in recovery mode. Select repair apps or reboot to bootloader to repair system files. Solution number 6, factory reset, last option. Warning, this will erase all data. Only do this if nothing else works. In recovery mode, select wipe data factory reset, confirm. Then select reboot system now. If your phone still doesn't turn on after these steps, the issue may be hardware related, like a damaged motherboard, battery, or power IC. In that case, take your device to a Samsung service center for professional repair. And that's it! Your Samsung should now be back to working normally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung fixes. Thanks for watching.